Welcome, in front of me is an ROG Phone 6 and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel and expand the list. Somewhere here you should find your Do Not Disturb toggle. Now for me it looks like it is on a third page, so locate yours. Once you do, you want to hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the actual mode will function. So you can choose what kind of people will be able to call you, message you, apps, and basically everything right here is set up so you can choose who or what will be able to bypass this mode when it's active. So apps, other interruptions and alarms, then probably a more handy option, which is a schedule. In here, looks like there's already one made. You can enable it by toggling it on right here, or you can customize your Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on a gear icon and then changing the parameters right here to fit your needs. And there's a couple additional settings, you can change them to your liking, but once you went through the settings right here, you can close this, and assuming you don't want to change anything, you don't need to navigate the settings ever again. And whenever you want to utilize your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and this will manually turn it on. So if you manually turn it on, you also will need to remember to manually turn it off, otherwise it will be running in the background indefinitely. So again, just find the toggle, tap on it, and this will turn it off. And if you're using the schedule mode, then you don't need to do anything extra apart from having it toggled on in the settings. And this will then turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode automatically when the time comes that you have set up. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.